Alright everybody, stick with me to see how I make my cheesesteaks. These aren't Philly cheesesteaks, these are JD cheesesteaks. First thing we need to do is we have some half and half in here. In a pan, we're just going to get this hot, and we're going to put some good old stadium cheese in here. And I already have my burners, they're on relatively low. Just move this to the back here where it's a little bit cooler. About 500 over here, and just over 500, about 530 there. First thing we need to do is get some beef tallow. Use lard, oil, butter, whatever you got, but since we're doing cheesesteaks, may as well use some beef tallow wherever we can. Let's get that down. And this is just made from brisket fat. Get a nice healthy portion of some onions down. Some of our salt, pepper, garlic. And here, these are why these are JD cheesesteaks, because I put green peppers, red peppers, and banana peppers on mine. Just hit that with some more salt, pepper, garlic. So I like to let mine cook down for several minutes before I start my meat, because once you get the meat going, stuff goes really fast. So let these cook down to what you like, shove them all over to the side, and then we'll get our meat on. We'll just keep our cheese mixture here nice and stirred up. Keep these guys moving. Alright, so next I have some mini sub rolls. Just go ahead and put these down on the back here. Let them get a little bit of toast. Normally I don't believe Philly cheesesteaks get toasted, but like I said, it's not what these are. One last stir here. No, just for my sanity. In case if stuff gets wild. Just move those back there. Throw some more beef tallow down. And what we're using tonight, frozen beef. This is just frozen, thin sliced ribeye. Got it at Costco, and it's like $2 a pound. Can't go wrong with that. Tear it open. Take their seasoning packet out, probably not going to use it. Smear our tallow. Let's put those straight down. Seasoning packet out of here. And the third one. Let's let this cook for a minute, and then we'll get this all shredded up, move this over. But while that is cooking, go ahead and add some flavor to it. The same seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. Alright, this is shredding up nice back here. Not so much on the second one, but it's getting there, I guess. So we're not overdoing our buns here. They're about what I like. Once we get a lot more of this pink out of here, we'll mix everything in together and add our first cheese. Give this another flip and mix. I'm going to get more of these like little charred bits right here, so just flatten it out, leave it alone for a few minutes. Alright, I believe we should be good to go now. Let's just get all this. Alright, and the first, one bit of hate I'm going to get is going to slap on some Kraft singles here. Good old American cheese. Cheese number one. Now we're going to mix that in. Just in case everything gets in case things get too hot, I have these burners over here just completely turned off. So I'm just going to let these sit over here, let that cheese melt in the middle for a couple minutes. Go ahead and give this a taste, make sure our seasoning's good. Let's hit it with some more. Alright, so that's all melted. Move that over to the cool side. And I'm just bring over one sandwich worth. And the other sandwich worth. And 2 slices of provolone on each one. And this is non-smoked provolone if you want to know exactly. These are some big pieces. I'm just going to do 1 slice each. So we get some steam. Get our buns right on top. After about a minute, it should be nice and steamed. Just put our hand over, turn that over. There is one way of doing it. And then this one, do the exact same thing. Just flip that guy over. Then we're going to take our stadium cheese, just drizzle. And there you have it. Super easy. JD Cheesesteak. Be sure to check out this other amazing video